Okay, this is an example where we're trying to find a limit as x approaches 9 of this function f of x. If you plug in 9, you're going to get square root of 9 minus 3 over 9 minus 9, which is 0 over 0, which is indeterminate, which means we can't determine it, right? Indeterminate. So the limit could be anything. We still don't know. So when you're finding limits algebraically like this, you want to try to simplify this expression first. And it looks a little bit tricky, and it is. There's a little bit of a trick here going on for how to simplify. The secret is to factor. Okay, and we're going to use this difference of squares factoring formula. A squared minus b squared factors into a plus b times a minus b. Now you're probably looking at that thinking, but there's no squares here, right? But we can treat x as if it's the square root of x squared. Okay, so what I just said is we can treat this as square root of x squared minus 9, or 3 squared. That's that denominator, x minus 9. Put that out here. Now, applying it this way, then it will factor into root x plus 3 times root x minus 3. And my hint, the reason I knew to do that was because the numerator is root x minus 3. So I recognized that it would factor like this. This is one of those things that I wouldn't necessarily expect you to figure out on your own, but now that you've seen it, you want to try to remember this so that if you see it again, you'll know what to do. Okay, so if you factor the denominator like this, then you'll have two factors that cancel. This factor in the numerator right here will cancel with this one from the denominator, which will leave you with a 1 in the numerator. Don't forget that. Then you can plug in 9 and find the value of the limit.